Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the May Want steering wheel cover for a Mercedes-Benz, for example, A-Class or GLA, what it else in CLA, Citan, Sprinter, and so on class vehicle. This is not only a new steering wheel staff, this is a stitched one. That means we have to tailor it, and this is a nice DIY project for you. First, of course, you go into the internet on the URL of MeWant and choose what steering wheel you like, you prefer. You can make a setup in different colors. You can make a setup in different styles in front of you. You can choose between different bottom and different outside and top and bottom areas, left and right, as you like. Okay? And then, of course, you can switch to different leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, microfiber leather as well. The ceilings of it, that's possible. And of course, more possible that you can have the sewing thread, or you choose for the steering wheel with paddle shifters and so on. Okay, and then you're ready. You're ready and you will get this shipped to your location automatically. And this is easy, of course. The DIY hand-sewn MeWant steering wheel cover protects our original steering wheel from wear and tear and gives us an interior luxury upgrade. And it's worry-free, of course. It is high quality stuff, yeah? The non-slip surface ensures a maximum grip and an increased safety in every corner. Then it is at your place, and you should have a look that all is included, of course. And then, of course, you can choose. This set here, this steering wheel cover is for Mercedes-Benz. That means it will work on the A-Class, B-Class, C-Class, Citan, CLA class, CLS class, E-Class, EQA, EQB, EQC, EQT, G-Class, GLA class, GLB class, GLC class, GLE class, GLS class, Sprinter, and T-Class. Wow, this is all compatible with this steering wheel. And you see the upgrade, of course, really nice. How it works? Easy installation process, yeah? It is really easy. First step, of course, you get it into position. You can then make a little tailored job around, of course. So take a little bit time. I think approximately, for a DIY enthusiast, which is new in the market, maybe 2 hours, 1 hour to 2 hours. If you are an experience, of course, will be higher. You will get this faster in an half hour or something else. And of course, you can choose between genuine leather, PU carbon fiber, high Alcantara, smooth genuine leather, Alcantara, and so on. And all is included what you need. You will need the steering wheel cover itself, a needle, and 2 sewing threads. The double-sided adhesive tape for fixing a leather cover. This is optional, but a good choice. A small blade, or this is a spatula, and of course a lot of joy if you fix this. This job's done. Hey, yeah, this all is really cool. This all is this steering wheel cover by MEWART. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.